Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to my channel, the place where science comes alive. Every week, we explore the amazing world around us with fun experiments, cool facts, and exciting adventures. From the tiniest atoms to the biggest planets, there's always something new to discover. So grab your curiosity and let's dive into today's science adventure. Have you ever wondered how you can hear music, your friends' laughter, or even the chirping of birds? Today, we are going to explore the amazing journey of sound from vibrations in the air all the way to your brain. Let's dive in. What is sound? Sound is a vibration that travels through air, water, or solids. Show slow motion of a drum vibrating when hit. Fun demo. Hold a ruler on the edge of a desk. Flick it buzzes. Every sound you hear, from whispers to thunder, is just tiny vibrations moving around. How sound travels. Sound moves in waves, compressions, and rarefactions. Travels faster in solids, slower in gases. Example, put your ear on a table and tap it, you hear it quicker. Pitch, volume, and frequency. Pitch equals how high or low a sound is, violin versus drum. Volume equals loud or soft whisper versus shout. Frequency equals number of vibrations per second measured in hertz. That is why a bird is chirp sounds different from a lion is roar. Same science, different vibrations. How do we hear? Sound enters the outer ear pinna, travels through ear canal, hits the eardrum. Vibrations move tiny bones, hammer, anvil, stirrup, sent to cochlea fluid plus hair cells. Signal travels to the brain, you recognize a sound. Your ear is like a super high-tech microphone, sending sound straight to your brain. Fun sound experiments. String telephone, 2 cups plus string. Tuning fork in water splashes show vibration. Clap echo in a big room. Guess the sound gameplay mystery noises. Why sound is important. Helps us communicate, lets us enjoy music, warns us of danger, sirens, helps animals survive, bats use echolocation. Whales sing. Sound is everywhere in nature, in music, in voices, and even in silence. Next time you listen to your favorite song, remember, it's all thanks to tiny vibrations traveling through the air. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more curious kids can learn with us. See you next time.